So guys, for the first step, if you're using a VPN or proxy, then you want to disable it. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in settings. Click on it. Once you're on this, on the left hand side, you want to select network and internet. It's going to be saying here for you either Ethernet or Wi-Fi. You want to select the option that you have. Make sure that you have metered connection turned off. You want to turn off metered connection. Next, you want to go to search and type in view network connections. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to find your network adapter. Double click on it. And then click on properties. And now you want to find Internet Protocol version 4. Double click on it. Make sure that you have obtain an IP address automatically selected. And now under it, you want to select use the following DNS server address. You want to make the first line 8888 and you want to make the second line 8844 and then click on OK. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in command prompt. Now you want to run it as administrator and then click on yes. And then once you run this, you want to type in ipconfig space /flush DNS and then click on enter. Next, you want to type in netsh space windsock space reset and then click on enter again. For the last step, you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.